designing a research survey and working with QPR project files from Qualtrics. This is a project export from the popular online survey platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, import, and work with these Qualtrics survey project files. We're going to solve this QPR issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below and we will revisit later on. Users encounter QPR files when exporting or backing up survey projects from the Qualtrics platform. They are searching for a way to open, view, or import this complex survey data, often to migrate it to another account, analyze it offline, or archive a completed research study for compliance. The QPR format is a proprietary archive, likely a compressed container similar to a zip, holding XML or JSON for the survey flow, questions, and logic, along with any embedded media. This design encapsulates the entire project for portability and ensures all dependencies are maintained during transfer between accounts. The proper file association links QPR directly to the Qualtrics Core XM solution by Qualtrics. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your QPR file and choose Open With. Use Qualtrics Core XM if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If the QPR file is still refusing to open, it's expected. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, importing in Qualtrics. Log into your Qualtrics account at qualtrics.com and navigate to Projects. Click Create Project then. From a file and upload the QPR file. Qualtrics imports the complete survey structure, preserving questions, logic, and settings. Review the imported survey and test functionality before publishing to respondents. Next, sharing between accounts. Use QPR export and import to share surveys between Qualtrics accounts within the same organization or with collaborators. Export the source survey, as QPR send the file to recipients who import into their Qualtrics account. This preserves the entire survey design without requiring direct account access sharing. Finally, backing up surveys. Regularly export critical surveys as QPR files for backup purposes. Store backups in version control or cloud storage to recover from accidental deletions or unintended modifications. Document each backup with version notes and date stamps for easy identification when restoration becomes necessary in research projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.